How to cancel your KFC order. So if you've made your order through the website or app, you want to load up the app or website and log into your account, and then you will go into your order history or active order section. You want to find the order which you will cancel in your recent orders or active orders. Then you will check the cancellation option. If the order has not yet been processed or prepared, you might see an option to cancel the order. You want to click on the cancel button if it's available. Then you will just confirm the cancellation. If you're allowed to cancel, confirm that you want to cancel the order. You should receive a confirmation of the cancellation, and any charges may be refunded based on KFC's policies. Some KFC locations may not allow cancellations once the order is being prepared or if it's too close to delivery or pickup time. If the app or website doesn't show a cancellation option, you may need to call the restaurant directly. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.